Okay, welcome to Law Firm Fixers. This is our inaugural show in which we fix all kinds of broken stuff in law firms. And as we go through these episodes, we're going to see a few things. We're going to see case studies from the hundreds of law firms that Practice Alchemy has worked with. You'll probably see some train wrecks, which are wonderful to watch and help you avoid them. So as ever forward, I'm joined by Raj Yellin, Managing Director, and Genie Lutz as well. And together we are the Law Firm Fixers. So let's go around and introduce ourselves to everyone. So I'm going to start with you, Ross. I'm going to pick on you and ask you a really irritating interview-like question.
As always,
exactly.
Come bring it on, Raj. Bring it on.
So,
you did forget to mention that in this series, you also get to realize that we're working from home. So from time to time, you'll have, Genie's son walking in the background.
Exactly. Although I'm in my office that does not allow cats to get in, so you will not see a large tail or something going across, or children coming in and doing. Yeah, exactly.
All right.
And of course, everyone also missed the pre-setup of this first show, in which we had to adjust lights based on Ross's head. So that was.
Oh, the pleasures of
only a professional kind of thing. Okay, so Ross, I'm going to ask you a completely annoying and irritating question for everyone here. So why are you here? Why do you work with Practice Alchemy? Why do you work with clients? And why do you like fixing broken legal stuff?
Oh boy, yeah, that is you really preface that question right. This is like you teed me up for just like the worst.
Well, I didn't ask where do you expect to be in 5 years, right? Because that would be a really shitty interview question. But this one, at least people who don't know you yet
for the BS answer.
Yeah, exactly. We should have a little like a BS meter or something that
yeah, we need a little
show. Just it can go. Yeah.
Anyway. My expression.
There we go.
You are the BS meter.
I'm afraid with the three of us, we also need a little bleep button as well.
Yes. But yeah, exactly.
Genie, do you have one of those built in?
Oh no, but I'll find one for our next episode. I'll do a clicker. Click, click.
There we go.
Well, no, but unfortunately, that's going to induce Ross in his clicker training to go and jump or something like that. Just like
it's just like Pavlov dogs. Yeah,
Pavlov's dogs. We've trained Ross that when the clicker goes off.
That's right. Well, we should also maybe mention before I get to my answer, which I will get to.
You're taking a while.
We should mention that this is also meant to be a happy hour. So maybe it's for every curse word we take a sip.
This will be a very short episode. This will be a short freaking episode. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Oh, cheers.
Yes, exactly.
So why am I here? What excites me about coming to work every day? Something like that. Well, first of all, it's really easy to come to work these days because I just walk downstairs.
What excites me is stairs.
It's an ideal commute. No, I would say my background is really has been in both marketing and the law. So I was in sports marketing for a very long time, which led to biotech marketing. And somewhere along the way, I found myself in law school and practicing law in both real estate and landlord-tenant practice. And so this was kind of the natural next step. It was a perfect marriage of my passion, which was more on the marketing side, but my education, which was in the legal side, and really marrying that all into the perfect business opportunity of let's work with this crazy guy called Raj and see how I can bring these all of these disciplines together. And ultimately, it's been phenomenal. Did you know next week is 2 years now that we've been doing this together, Raj? And it's the perfect marriage of all of the above. It gets me kind of, to do a lot of people say lawyers, there's a lot out there about who we are as people, Raj.
There are no such thing as lawyer jokes, right?
No. Definitely not. But I think ultimately at our core, what do lawyers do? Lawyers help people in a time of need, of crisis, of transition. So ultimately what we do here is help those lawyers, get those clients. So ultimately, I like to think we're helping those clients, along their journey. And then we're also helping the attorneys with things they don't know about. So, how to operate their business more efficiently, how to get those clients, acquire those clients in an efficient, productive manner. So I guess it's kind of a marriage of the skills I've acquired over the years, my practice, which is very relevant, obviously. Been there, seen it, done it, can speak the language, understand the needs, and then at the end of the day, it's all about helping people one way or another.
Yeah, and I think you bring up a really good point, which is often overlooked. This is not just, oh, let's help some lawyers with marketing. Let's help some lawyers with their operations or their bookkeeping and all the various things we do. There's a bigger purpose here, right? Because the more that we can help those firms be better businesses, it's helping it's helping the attorney, but it's helping their family, it's helping their clients. So whether or not those clients are individuals, if they're attorneys representing consumers or attorneys representing businesses, this is the foundation. And having not only great legal advice, but being able to find the right attorney and have that attorney be able to operate their firm well, so that the customer experience, the client experience is fantastic. All of those things go to those concentric circles of things that we're doing to impact beyond just, oh, we're just doing the marketing, which was, frankly, the original premise of the company was very narrow. But now with our expanded team and the skill sets, we can have that bigger impact, which is awesome.
Yeah, I totally agree. And it's funny, when I think when we first started talking, I thought this was more of a marketing, advertising, kind of, that's what we did here. And over the past few years, I definitely have learned that is not the case. Ultimately, at our core, the core competency of this business ultimately is what we're going to be talking about on the show here, which is fixing the problems that law firms encounter every day, from the tiny little ones to the overarching ones that break the whole thing apart.
So what you're saying is we're the fixers for the fixers, because law firms fix problems for clients and we fix the fixers. So we're meta fixers.
That's right.
Really...
we talked about the lighting here. What we didn't consider is that I'm on the East Coast and the sun is setting, so my picture is getting darker here, and you guys are West Coast. So kind of a good seamless,
metaphor for working. A metaphor for working.
Yeah, with clients across the country.
There you go. Boom.
But shameless plug. Exactly. Right, but Genie, you don't get to get out of this exercise. It's now time for your cringeworthy.
Yeah, no, Genie wants to get out of this exercise.
Yes,
desperately.
I definitely.
At some point, I will tell the story of when we did do some filmmaking and Genie's reaction to that. Maybe we can put the bloopers from that.
That would be excellent.
That was like 2.5 years ago. Yes, we'll put the bloopers in one of these episodes, but that's a future thing. Anyway, Genie.
That sounds like it's a whole different episode.
It is.
You can click that in the link below.
Share, comment, link, subscribe.
So unlike these two ruffians, I am not a lawyer. My claim to fame is I love solving complex business problems. And so what better place than doing so with two guys that are just completely, off the cuff, don't think like lawyers. And it's really great to brainstorm with some folks that give a different perspective. And that's certainly something that the three of us will do. And I can't do anything more than that. I'm sorry. I'm a short.
No, are you out of words now?
I am completely out of words. I am not. See, yes.
Like
lawyers speak.
Your word budget. I'm sorry, we've only allocated Genie 300 words today.
Exactly.
So
I think I've used mine.
That's right. She's optimizing for SEO here. You can't.
There you go. Got to focus on it. I clicked out my words. Boom.
Exactly.
Done.
Well, if anyone's still watching this, of course, what they should do is tell us what you want us to do better. And tell us what you want to talk about. If you have something specific, a hypothetical situation, asking for a friend about your firm, reach out to us, whether it's on wherever you've seen this on social media, whether it's shooting us a note on the website and say, I'd like to hear more about this, or how about this situation? We're law firm, we're the fixers, and we love to tackle problems. And it's fun for us, and we've done it so many times that there's a library of experience that we have that we'd love to share with you. So for anyone who's still watching and wants that as a resource, please use us.
And I would, and we can keep it anonymous, of course. So, if you want us to sit around and, tackle your issue in live time, tee it up for us. We are happy to take the swing.
Exactly.
So anyway, thanks everyone for tuning in. Genie, Raj, I am very excited to see where this goes, and hopefully everyone at home is as well.
Alrighty, until next time.
Cheers.
Until next time. Oh yeah, cheers.